जय हिंद। आज है 18 अगस्त फ्राइडे। द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर का फ्रंट पेज पे आई हुई ये न्यूज़ है। चंद्रयान propulsion lander modules separate. The lander module is set to descend to a slightly lower orbit upon a deboosting planned for today. Payload in propulsion module will continue to be in operation for a period of 3 to 6 months. After 34 days on board the Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft, the propulsion module and the lander module parted ways on Thursday and have now embarked on their respective journeys. After the separation, ISRO posted on X, formerly Twitter, "Thanks for the ride, mate," said the lander module. LM is successfully separated from the propulsion module PM. LM is set to descend to a slightly lower orbit upon a deboosting planned for tomorrow around 1600 hours IST, Indian Standard Time. The Chandrayaan-3 consists of a lander module, a propulsion module and a rover. According to ISRO, the lander will have the capability to soft land at a specified lunar site and deploy the rover, which will carry out in situ chemical analysis of the lunar surface during the course of its mobility. The lander and the rover have scientific payloads to carry out experiments on the lunar surface. The propulsion module also has one scientific payload that will be operated post separation of the lander module. The payload will be operational for a period of 3 to 6 months. The lander and the rover have a mission life of 1 lunar day, 14 Earth days. As of now, the propulsion module continues its journey in the current orbit and will continue to do so, possibly for months or years. The spectropolarimetry of habitable planet Earth payload on board the propulsion module will perform spectroscopic study of Earth's atmosphere and measure the variations in polarization from the clouds on Earth to accumulate signatures of exoplanets that would qualify for habitability by humans. This payload is the work of U.R. Rao Satellite Center, ISRO, Bengaluru. After the separation of two modules, a series of complex braking maneuvers will be executed to facilitate a soft landing in the south polar region of the moon. The lander is expected to touch down on the moon surface on August 23 at 5:47 p.m. Minister loads mission. Union Minister of State Independent Charge for Science and Technology, Dr. Jitendra Singh, on Thursday said the exclusive findings and inputs of Chandrayaan-3 would benefit the entire world community. Speaking to the media after successful separation of the two modules, Dr. Singh expressed confidence on a safe landing of the spacecraft on the moon surface. He said, "Even though the USA and the then USSR had started their space journey long before us, and America also landed a human being on the surface of moon in 1969. It was nevertheless our Chandrayaan that brought it home, the pictures of water on the surface of moon, and startled the entire world, including the Americans." Dr. Singh said that India will be the fourth country in the world to achieve this feat after the United States, Russia and China, but India will be the only country in the world to land on the lunar South Pole.